Hey YouTube, it's PokeChess here with another Pokemon unboxing, and in today's video I will be unboxing a Mega Mewtwo Y collection. Before I start, I just want to remind everybody all about our 100 subscriber giveaway. When we reach 100 subscribers, I'll give one person a 30 unused online codes, and also this Wednesday I'll be opening the Evolutions booster box, so be sure to stay tuned and check that out. We're going to get straight into this one. Got my knife here. I'll use my fingers. So this box comes with 4 booster packs, a Mega Mewtwo Y figurine, and a Mewtwo promo card. This box stood out to me because of that Roaring Skies there and the Ancient Origins. It's a bit hard to get out. There's our Mewtwo card, promo card there. I'll give you guys this code. Enjoy that, let me know what you get. So here we have our 2 breakthroughs, Roaring Skies and Ancient Origins. We'll open it in this order. And here is our Mega Mewtwo figurine. Looks pretty sick. Alright, first pack, here we go. I'll give you guys that code there. 1, 2, 3. First pack's a breakthrough, and we start off with a Dedenne, Prinplup, Haunter, Magnemite, Fennekin, Pancham, Meowth, Sandshrew, Reverse Holo Cacnea, and a regular Staraptor. Our second pack breakthrough here. Your online code there. Let me know what you get. Alright, first card. Frogadier, Staravia, Pinsir, Staryu, Skiddo, Bronzor, Meowth, Zorua, Reverse Holo Rolls, and a regular rare Raichu. Last 2 packs, Ancient Origins, Roaring Skies. I hope to get a Hooper EX from this Ancient Origins. If not, then we're going for that Shaman EX over here. Ancient Origins first. Need this Hooper EX for my deck. Should code there. Alright, first off we have a Forest of Giant Plants, Blossom, H-Trainer, Goomy, Beldum, Unknown, Porygon, Spinarak, Reverse Holo Spinarak, and a regular rare Gyarados. Didn't get our Hooper there. We can only hope for that Shaman. If you guys missed out my last video, I did unbox a Shaman EX, which yeah, is always good. Alright, here we go. Silcoon, Latios Spirit Link, Dragonair, Spearow, Voltorb, Inkay, Cascoon, Meowth, Reverse Holo Dragon Dratini, sorry, and a Ancient Trains Bannet. Well, no EXs in this box, but that's okay. Now I'm looking forward to the Evolutions booster box opening. So remember to check that out. It'll be coming this Wednesday. I will be giving away codes. Yes, and be sure to subscribe for that 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you. This is Poker Chess out.